Hello and welcome to the Gilded Press. It's been a while and I'm thrilled to finally be back sharing new content. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm Shatara, the creator behind the Gilded Press, your go-to place for finding planner peace and achieving work-life harmony. Some of you might have noticed it's been almost 2 years since my last video. I took a step back to focus on developing products that truly align with the vision of the Gilded Press and to build a comprehensive productivity website that brings all the elements of our planning community together. But don't worry, the break wasn't spent idle. I've been working hard to refine our product line and expand into exciting new areas. I'm happy to announce that the Gilded Press now offers more than just our popular printable planners and inserts. We've expanded into digital planners that seamlessly integrate with Apple Shortcuts and Apple and Google calendars, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your tasks, appointments, and goals, no matter what platform you use. For my fellow Notion enthusiasts or those who are just curious about exploring Notion for the first time, I'm excited to share that we now have custom Notion template planners that blend the flexibility of digital planning with the structure of traditional planning layouts. My personal planning journey has evolved significantly over the years. Like many of you, I started with a small, personal-sized planner, but soon found myself needing more space and versatility. That led me to explore everything from the classic Happy Planner to the midway disc-bound size, and eventually into the world of digital planning. However, I didn't stop there. Discovering Notion was a real turning point for me. At first, the sheer flexibility of the platform was overwhelming, but I could see the potential. It became clear that Notion could not only enhance but completely transform the way I approached planning and productivity. And now, I'm fully using Notion for everything from managing daily tasks to organizing long-term projects. The Gilded Press's Notion templates are designed to help you find your way through the platform, whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing setup. So, what can you expect moving forward? First, I'll be sharing regular content right here on the channel. You'll see new tutorials, behind-the-scenes peeks into how I create and use these planners, tips for staying organized, and updates on new product releases. I want this space to be a resource and a community for all of us who love planning. So if you're passionate about productivity and organization, or if you're just curious to see what's new, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for joining me today and for being a part of the Gilded Press community. Whether you're a seasoned planner or just starting to explore different systems, I'm here to support you every step of the way with products and resources that will make your life easier and more beautiful. Be sure to check out the Etsy shop and our main website for all the latest collections. And don't forget to sign up for our free monthly newsletter with exclusive discounts, freebies, and more. I've linked everything in the description box below. I'm so excited to continue this journey with you all. Until next time, and happy planning!